Hi there, in this video I will show you how to use Trello template for quick project setup. So for this I will open my Trello app. Once the app is open, click on your menu on the top left corner. Once the menu is open, then go to browse templates. So from there you will find multiple templates. So here we have different options like business, design, education, engineering, marketing, HR and operation, personal and much more. So here I will go with personal or business. So let's go with business. So once you click the category, then you will find all the templates related to that category. As we have the business one here, so I will go with the third one here. As you click on template, it will open like this. Here it may take few seconds and you can see all the cards here. Just swipe left and you will find all the cards. You can edit them according to your needs, preferences and according to your priority. So here what you need to do is simply click on create board from template and then your board will be created. Now here you can edit the board name. So I will go with the same one. Then you can change the visibility. I choose it to public and we want to keep cards and then click on create board. So now your board is created. I hope this worked for you as well and watch out this video for more handy tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.